Welcome to the Month in Review briefing. This briefing will highlight the weather of March 2013, as well as the temperature and precipitation outlooks for the month of April 2013. This graphic is from the High Plains Regional Climate Center and shows the departure from normal temperatures for the month of March 2013. The time period for the normals is 1981 to 2010. A value of 0 would mean that the location reported a normal average temperature. Most of the region reported near normal temperatures for the month, with a few locations in Grant County a few degrees below normal. The next graphic is also from the High Plains Regional Climate Center. This shows the percent of normal precipitation for the Northwest for the month of March 2013. A value of 100% means that the location reported their average monthly total precipitation. Most of the Pacific Northwest reported well below normal precipitation totals for the month. A few locations in central Washington reported near to above normal precipitation totals. A ridge of high pressure built over the region behind a weather system during the middle of the month. Clearing skies and light winds the night of March 22nd led to good radiational cooling. A few stations broke record low temperatures the morning of March 23rd. John Day, Oregon reported a record low of 17 degrees, breaking the previous record of 21 degrees set in 1994. The Hermiston Airport reported a record low of 19 degrees, breaking the previous record of 20 degrees set in 1994. Meacham, Oregon reported a record low of 7 degrees, breaking the previous record of 16 degrees set in 1964. And Whitman Mission in Washington reported a record low of 23 degrees, breaking the previous record of 24 degrees set in 1966. Following the warm front on March 20th, a strong cold front moved through the area during the afternoon. Strong pressure gradients with and behind the front led to strong winds across portions of southeast Washington and northeast Oregon. Weather spotters in Pendleton and Milton Freewater areas reported trees down, and there were power outages in Pendleton. A weather spotter reported a damaged pump house in Milton Freewater, and another spotter reported damage to a barn near the city of Union. Some locations that reported wind gusts above 50 miles per hour during the afternoon hours. The John Day Airport in Oregon reported a wind gust to 52 miles per hour. The Cooperative Weather Observer northwest of Lisle, Washington, reported a wind gust to 59 miles per hour. The Pendleton Airport in Oregon reported a wind gust to 61 miles per hour. A Mesonet weather station west-northwest of Roosevelt, Washington, reported a wind gust to 64 miles per hour. And a public weather station in Milton Freewater, Oregon, reported a wind gust to 76 miles per hour. And now we will turn our attention to the forecast for April 2013. This graphic is issued by the Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, and is the temperature outlook for the month of April. The cool colors indicate a greater chance of below normal temperatures, and the warm colors represent a greater chance of above normal temperatures. The time period for the normals runs from 1981 to 2010. The Pacific Northwest is forecast to have what is called equal chances. This means that the probability of the most likely category cannot be determined, and the expected likelihood of above, below, or near normal temperatures doesn't differ from the climatological odds of 33.3% for each category. This graphic is CPC's precipitation outlook for the month of April. The green colors represent a greater chance of above normal precipitation, and the brown colors represent a greater chance of below normal precipitation. The Pacific Northwest is under equal chances. Please keep in mind that these are probabilities of averages, and that the day-to-day weather will still vary for the month of April. This concludes our briefing. Please continue to visit National Weather Service web pages for the latest weather information, including watches, warnings, and advisories. Thank you for your time.